Half a kilogram chicken, 1 TBP pepper powder, 1 TBP coriander powder, 1/2 TBP turmeric powder, 2 TBP salt, 1 TBP red chili powder, 3 TBP tandoori masala, 2 TBP ginger garlic paste. Mix it up. Add 2 TBP oil. Add 1 TBP curd. 1/2 lemon juice. Red chili flakes. 1 TBP corn flour. Apply butter. Place the marinated chicken. Keep the air fryer at 200 degrees for 20 minutes. After 10 minutes, apply butter and flip the piece to get cooked evenly. Delicious oil-free tandoori chicken is ready. What other Indian dishes would you like me to try in the air fryer? Drop your suggestions below.